Dear homeowners, are you planning on selling your home? Let me show you how the Willers Homes team with the
Our journey starts with a pricing strategy, getting your pricing just right. We analyze the market to see what is selling so your home enters the market priced perfectly. Then we believe in showcasing your home's best features. That's why we offer free staging and professional consultations to stage your home that attracts buyers' hearts and imaginations. And if we have to add a little curb appeal, we do that too. Our team's commitment extends even further when needed to ensure your home is seen in its best light, even if it means rolling up our sleeves for repairs and upgrades. With an extensive network of trusted contractors from flooring and painting to plumbing and landscaping, we have all the resources needed to elevate your home's appeal. Next, we bring your home to life with the area's best photographers and videographers, ensuring it looks the best on all platforms, whether they are social media marketing. Another way we attract by ensuring maximum exposure and interest, and don't forget to bring the kids. Best of all, we're with you every step of the way, from the first strategy session to the final closing, and even beyond that. That's the Willers Homes team promise.
Now you know how the Willers Homes team sells a home, so if you want to sell your home, contact Elizabeth Willers.